कल ही तो की थी फाइट्स, वही तो करते
आई नो, चलो
क्या नया सा
कम 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 मेरे को। Okay, I'm running. Bye. Poetic. So tell me. अच्छा. But ask me nice sawals, please. Good evening.
Hall of Fame Awards, how it matters to you and what it means to you?
I think it's a great honor. It's a recognition from a very prestigious media house because they have a very long line of wonderful journalism. So I'm very honored to receive an award from them. I don't know. I suppose it's working for many, many years in the film industry, in this wonderful film industry.
So it's a lifetime achievement.
I guess it's a kind of fitting me in somewhere.
Which is really the most memorable and which you would like to share with us, which has made a deep impact in all your journey of the films or otherwise?
You know, one doesn't have one memorable occasion. One has many. All the films that I have worked, you know, they're all my favorite. It's like my children, you know. You can't have one favorite child. So in a short while, I can't tell you. Maybe I'll write it in my memoirs. How's that?
When we are expecting it?
That's a good question. I haven't begun on it. I hope I don't run out of time. But maybe one day I will.
What would be the possible title?
That's up to you. Maybe I should take a opinion poll and find out. Accidental actress?
तो एक चीज और कई लोग बार बार हमसे पूछते हैं कि मतलब जैसे आजकल कई लोगों के ऊपर फिल्में बनती हैं, आप लोगों के भी आपके ऊपर भी बनाने के बेहद इच्छुक हैं लोग.
When the time comes, I'm sure they will. These are hardcore business people. They're very hardcore business people. So they know what sells and what doesn't sell. So the person with money matters a lot. So when they think this, our story is important, an audience would like it, then they will make it.
Who could be the best person to represent you?
I have no idea. I mean, today we have such brilliant actors. It's a wonderful time for film industry. We have beautiful female actors, male actors. So I think anybody, kind of short.
Possibly, please allow me to say this, your granddaughter is equally promising for this.
She looks very much like her mother and a wonderful actress like her mother. So yes, why not?
एक चीज जो आगे की लेगेसी है, ये बहुत ही जिम्मेदारी से, बहुत अच्छी तरह से सभी आपके जो बच्चे हैं या आपके पोते पोतियां हैं वो लेके जा रहे हैं। लेकिन ये आपके लिए गर्व की बात है।
Bilkul. I'm very happy and I thank God for it. And it makes me really very happy. I'm so impressed with Sarah and all her interviews. More than the film, of course she's a wonderful actress, but all her interviews shows that how humble, how polite, how savvy she is. I'm very proud of her.
आपको बहुत याद करती हैं, हम लोग जब बातचीत करते हैं उनसे सहज तरीके से, तो बहुत याद करती हैं, लाइक जो बातें आपने उनको सिखाई हैं, जो कुछ है।
Yeah, she's a nice girl. She's a lovely girl.
ये और जो स्टार है आपकी फैमिली में,
This is what half of it won't be there. हाँ. अच्छा, last question. Okay, last question. हाँ.
one of your grandsons, मतलब ये जो सबसे बड़े आजकल बने हुए स्टार बने मिस्टर तैमूर, that is
Mr. Thakur. Yes.
what do you think about his stardom?
I don't think, but I'm going to quote Sarah on this. I suppose we have to live with it. This is the age of social media. I'm very old-fashioned. I don't think children should be exposed to all this. But I've learned from Sarah to say, if you can't beat them, then join them.
पता है, मैं पूछ नहीं रहा, बता रहा हूँ, आजकल जो है ना, कहीं पे भी मतलब रोज और हर 24 घंटे में किसी की फोटो नहीं छपती सिवाय
I guess I should be happy about it, but I don't think it's very good for the child.
does fame matters to you?
Uh,
You have other preferences?
I guess. Sorry. I don't know. I guess obviously being an actor, fame does matter to us, but not in the way where I want to keep getting my picture taken or I want to be here. For me, I guess fame would mean my film doing well or people really liking my characters. So that's the kind of fame I want. Fame with work.
And कभी कोई न्यूज़ सुनी थी, मैं भूल गया, मैं सीना से पूछा, apart from your film,
हाँ जी.
कौन सी न्यूज़ है जो आप इस समय पूरी छाई हुई है आपके बारे में?
मेरे बारे में क्या? What news? No, I hope nothing bad, but I don't know.
काम के बारे में कोई नया प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो?
No, but आज इस साल 4 releases है. Sorry. इस साल 4 releases है and it's starting with Mental है क्या? So I'm very excited about those and yeah, I think in May all the films are going to start coming out.
पर ये इसका मेंटली थोड़ा दूर कर दिया इन लोगों ने और
Yeah, I think because we still have one song to shoot, so I think we're going to be done with that and then we're all set, we're ready.
कंगना है और
Yeah, she, all of us, everyone's in the song.
कितना सहज राम के लिए मतलब
So I'm one of Kangana's biggest fans. I even remember we were doing a scene and she even said you're doing a good job and then I forgot all my lines also. So she's amazing to work with and I mean I never had any problem with her. She was amazing on set.
आपसे मतलब आपसे ये बात सुनना अच्छा लगा। भाई साहब छोड़े ना जरा।
No.
हमारा as a youngster, as the country goes to the poll, would you like to encourage people because as a celebrity, you definitely make an impact. आप एक प्रभावशाली व्यक्तित्व हैं। अगर आप महिलाओं को, लड़कियों को और युवाओं को, लोगों को अगर कुछ कहें कि मतलब अपना वक्त दें,
I think it's just important to make sure that we all go and just vote this year. Everybody has their own political preferences and I think that's absolutely fair, but the more that people vote, the more that the young generation actually come out to vote, that's the only thing to me that matters because you'll see me at the voting polls for sure. Thank you. Bye guys. Thank you.
Yes. I'm super firstly, I was super excited when Shamila ji was talking here. I think it's going to be one award that everybody has been waiting to watch and, waiting to know what she's going to say. And it's, I think, one of the most glamorous awards here. And I'm really, really glad that this is the first time I'm coming and looking forward for a great night. Oh, no, not at all, not at all. I'm just here to enjoy the night. That's about it.
Good evening, how are you? Thank you so much. Thank you. And thank you guys for always supporting the crazy looks that I do.
there's a thought which goes on when you plan your look and everything.
Of course, it would be a lie to say that there's no special thought that goes on. Of course, there is a special thought, but क्योंकि हम लोग red carpets पे ही कर सकते हैं ये सब. In my movies, I can't be like हम लोग commando shoot कर रहे हैं, I can't be like मुझे नथ पहनना है, तो director मुझे allow नहीं करेंगे. But on a red carpet, I think I can put out my style there. I have an awesome stylist, Juhi, who's here. So yeah, we sit together and we think of something nice. I also have, you guys support me. You all always write nice stuff about me, say nice stuff about the way I look. So I feel more encouraged to do crazy stuff all the time. So yeah.
What does fame means to you?
Fame means, I think after all of it, after either getting an award or shooting for your film, when you go back home and you sleep and you feel happy about what you've done. So that's fame to me.
Sir, how are you?
किसी को कुछ पूछना नहीं तो हम लोग निकलते हैं.
ये सब ठहराव ला रहे थे वो आप ही ने सिखाया.
अच्छा, very good.
Good evening to both of you, sir and ma'am. Hall of Fame, sir, fame कितना मायने रखता है हमारे स्कूल में या in general?
इन्होंने सर बोला है.
अच्छा.
तो आपको
देखिए,
जवाब देना पड़ेगा.
First of all, you have to understand what is fame. Fame is not an object. Fame is the shadow of some object. The object is your work, your achievement, your contribution. And that sculpture makes a shadow. That shadow is called fame. When we run for fame and we try to achieve fame, it's futile. Because you can't achieve shadows without objects. Make objects, shadows will make themselves.
Now, nobody can answer that better than him. That's why I said he's the person who should answer the question.
That means we are getting old. When they start calling you timeless, that's a polite way of telling you something. Huh? Yeah. 100% आप आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे? अरे ख़त्म कैसे हो सकता है वो? Of course, 21st को है 12 बजे से onward, जानकी कुटीर, yes.
सर आज आप मिल रहे हैं, होली का माहौल बड़ा अलग रहेगा. वो अगर आप पूरी दरखास्त कर सकें लोगों से, जैसे चुनाव आ रहे हैं, तो लोगों को पूरा encourage करना है. आपके शब्द बड़े मायने रखते हैं सर.
देखिए मैं तो बहुत सिंपल बात बता दूं. ग्रीक में idiot का एक मतलब ये भी होता है one who does not vote. Greek language. So let's not justify that meaning. We are very fortunate that we are living in a democratic society where we have the right to express our opinion through a vote, and it's an honor and it's a privilege, and we should respect that. Thank you. ये बात से तो मैं बहस ही नहीं कर सकता. आपने कॉर्नर कर लिया मुझे. बात इतनी लॉजिकल की आपने कि कोई जगह ही नहीं बची. थैंक यू.
It feels amazing because I think for an artist and an actor, I think that's one of the gussa. No, I'm really happy. I think it's one of the nicest compliments to be told that you're multifaceted and that you're versatile. And I don't know, it feels really nice. And I think that's what I've always wanted to do. To not be boxed into anything, to be able to always be free and do different kinds of cinema and different kinds of roles. And I think, yeah, so I think I'm trying to do that every day and trying to live that dream.
Like Hall of Fame, how much time do you enjoy fame, or like kind of like the word fame?
You know, if I were to be really honest, I really love it. Though I always say that good cinema and timeless cinema is above everything else, and which is true. But there is that that little kid in all of us, where at least for me, I love all the love, I love all the attention. It's
it can be difficult. I know a lot of people say that it's difficult, but I don't look at the difficult part of it. I look at the happy part of it. So I really, really enjoy it, and I really love being famous.
Aditi, there were परेशानी होती है like when pictures are clicked without your knowledge or
You know, I always feel like without your knowledge is not very nice, because it's almost like a stalker picture. But I always tell those people, you ask me, I'll give you 10 pictures, because I feel like, you know, they're not asking that much of you, and they are your fans, and people who love you are the people who really make you. And I feel like all they're asking for a picture, and if it can make their day, I'm really happy to give it to them. Even if I'm really tired or looking like death, I will always make sure I give people a selfie. But I don't like people who, like, you know, chori chupe when they take pictures. I find that very, like, spooky. I don't like that.
हाँ देखा कई वीडियो आए हैं आप बीमार हैं तब भी आपने फोटो दी है
बीमार? ये बोलो ना, जब आप बीमार भी हो तभी भी आप अच्छे लगते हो, ऐसे बोलो ना प्लीज.
Thank you. Thank you. Vani? Who's Celia? There's a designer called Celia. It's a Greek designer called Celia.
शायद इसीलिए आपको स्टाइलिश एक्टर के लिए सम्मानित किया जा रहा है.
Is it? वो मुझे पता नहीं है, मुझे पता भी नहीं मुझे क्या मिल रहा है.
But when the awards and the recognition is bestowed upon you, what it means to you?
I think कोई भी हमें जो भी recognition मिले वो you know, it's very validating और अच्छा लगता है. और हम यहाँ आए हैं because we have relationships with the magazine and the editor, और हमें बुलाया गया है और थोड़ा टाइम स्पेयर कर सकते हैं. मैं बॉम्बे वापस डबिंग के लिए आई हूँ मेरी फिल्म के लिए. So I was here.
काफी दिनों से आप बाहर थी, कैसा रहा और किस फिल्म के बारे में आप बताना?
जोया फैक्टर है मेरी फिल्म जो जून में रिलीज़ हो रही है. सो आई कम फॉर दैट डबिंग, और आई लिव हाफ द टाइम इन लंदन एंड हाफ द टाइम इन इंडिया. दैट्स व्हाई.
सर हम आपसे मिल नहीं पाएंगे अगर आप, क्योंकि आप एक सिटीजन एंड यू हैव ऑलवेज बीन स्ट्रांग इन योर वर्क. वुड यू लाइक टू एनकरेज द यूथ एंड एवरीवन टू कास्ट देयर मैंडेट as the date of the present their votes coming?
Yeah, of course. I completely believe that voting is a right that, and it's a freedom that you need to kind of it was a hard-won freedom to have an opinion on who and who should come into power and who should be governing us. And I think we have to exercise that right, and it's very, very important for the youth of India and all Indians to exercise that right and make their stand clear. Thank you so much.
That's my views.
Both of you right. Center yeah. Center. Ma'am, yeah, both of you. Center. Right side.
Hello?
This is the first time for the film.
Yes, it is my first time.
What are you expecting?
I don't know. I'm. Let's see.
Does fame matters to you?
Not really. Because see, जो fame होता है, for me personally, it, you know, it's more of an inner thing than an outer thing. You really need to balance it, because after you get fame, कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि, you know, you get disbalanced, and I don't know. I think my friends keep me grounded, and for me, really, my work matters more than fame. Sure. Thank you.
नमस्ते जी, कैसे हैं आप? थैंक यू, गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल टू।
सवाल कहीं से भी आए क्योंकि
जी ठीक है। अच्छा, थैंक यू। माई ड्रेस फॉर टुनाइट, ये बहुत ही लास्ट मिनट चॉइस था ये आउटफिट। आप इतना सीरियसली सुन रहे हैं मेरे बातों को, ड्रेस के बारे में बात करी, कोई राजनीति चीज़ के बारे में बात नहीं करी। लेकिन हाँ, बहुत ही कम वक्त में हमने ये ड्रेस को डिसाइड किया था और वाइट मेरा पसंदीदा कलर है और आज का थीम शायद मोनोक्रोम है, तो उसके हिसाब से मैंने ये ड्रेस को चुना है। थैंक यू जी। जी देखिए, हर एक्टर के लिए फेम कहीं ना कहीं तो मायने रखता है, लेकिन ये समझना मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि जो भी फेम मैंने हासिल की है ये मुझे एक्चुअली मेरे पेरेंट्स, मेरे फैमिली के ज़रिए भी मिली है। और उसके बाद जो मैंने फ़िल्म की, उसके बाद जो और भी फेम आया था, उसके लिए मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ। आप लोगों के प्यार के लिए मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ। और देखिए, बचपन से मैंने कहीं ना कहीं फेम देखा है, तो मेरी ज़िंदगी में हार्ड वर्क, काम और एक्टिंग और फिल्म ज़्यादा मायने रखती है। नहीं, मैं कौन होती हूँ स्वागत करने के लिए, लेकिन मैं एक ऑडियंस के नज़रिए से मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड थी इस फिल्म के लिए। ट्रेलर, सारे गाने, पिक्चर्स इतने खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं और हाँ, मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ। अच्छा जी, come, let's go. अरे नहीं, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। उन्होंने बहुत अभी क्या कहूँ मैं उनके बारे में। वो एक इतनी होनहार और गुणी कलाकार है कि ये हमारी खुशकिस्मत है कि हम उनका काम देखने का मौका मिल रहा है हमें, उनसे सीखने का मौका मिल रहा है हमें। इसलिए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ और यही आशा और उम्मीद करती हूँ कि हमें उनका और काम देखने का मौका मिलेगा। अलाउड नहीं होगा, सॉरी।